Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday morning, January 29th, we're going to talk to you about the grain markets here in the next few minutes. Okay, we'll start today. USDA reports another huge corn sale to China. So this just continues here. Going into Wednesday, People's Republic of China had purchased 3.7 million metric tons of U.S. corn this week. So we would just end the week on a strong note here. And, 3 million metric tons of corn here and 3 million metric tons of corn there. And you're talking about a real amount of corn here. As I quote the late Senator Dirksen here from Illinois to have a little fun. It just continues here. USDA, the rumors of corn to China continue. ADM's quarterly statements this week, and they're selling ethanol to China, and that makes a lot of sense. The Chinese corn is above $11, so why not buy U.S. ethanol? And that works into their agreement with us here to buy U.S. agriculture. So just really a good story here. As long as these rumors of China purchases of U.S. corn and it seems like it's going to continue too. There is some profit taking as we speak. Corn is up 2. Soybeans are on their lows now, down 6. And bull markets, they have to be fed every single day. Trees do not grow to the skies. So first chart of corn, you can see it looks a little top heavy. So maybe we finish the week here a little bit of back and fill. Soybean chart, next chart. Now look at how we defended the selling last week. That's very, very impressive here. So People's Republic of China, they need to increase their February and March soybean flow from the USA. They don't have any choice. So this is going to continue here. And, looking ahead to February 9th and the March 9th crop reports, it's unlikely the USDA is going to lower South American production. So these reports aren't going to be bearish, I don't believe, they're not going to be bullish. So we're left with this demand news, and you just be careful out there. Again, you do have to feed a bull market every single day. If the funds do not sell, who else is going to sell this market here? I ask myself that a few times every single day. So moving along here, the wheat chart here, kind of backing and filling, and more about the row crops here, the headlines on wheat, about the Russian exports and things like that. Soybean basis in Iowa and Indiana, Louis Dreyfus upping their basis bids. They need soybeans. So picture yourself as an end user. If you need U.S. corn and U.S. soybean, the Chinese are going to buy our U.S. stockpile down to, we're not going to have any soybeans left until our harvest. So if you're an end user, you're nervous here, and you're covering to buy the markets in here. In the backdrop, we did get very good 70% coverage in Brazil and Argentina rains here. So the funds, their combined agricultural longs are 750,000 contracts, just shy of a record of the long back in the drought year of 2012. So money's flowing into commodities. It's the highest since 2011. We got the inflation trade this year, very good for commodity markets, and watch for food price inflation too. That's going to be next. It's going to be going on. And China, they have to buy because it needs to, and also phase 1 requires them to. So let's all have an excellent weekend.